How to change phone number in TD Bank. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's episode I'm going to let you guys know the ways to change phone number in TD Bank. To change the phone number in your TD Bank, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, type in td.com and log into your account, or you could also use a browser. After you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and click on the profile from a menu bar. Then you want to go ahead and click on review contact info. Once you do it so, you'll be able to find this edit icon next to the contact information section title. Now edit your phone number and select save to save your changes. After which you want to go ahead and change the phone number, and this way you could go ahead and change your phone number. And likewise, if this is not a helpful way for you, then you could always contact a support team, let them know about it, and they should be able to make changes with your phone number or information in your TD Bank account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.